There are two types of criminal courts in UK in which civilians are tried. One is magistrate court and other is crown court. There is another court called youth court which is made for juvenile offenders. In magistrate court, most of the judges, if there are three magistrates sitting together, they are lay magistrates who are unpaid magistrates. Mostly they are law officers like barristers, solicitors and prosecutors. And if a judge is sitting alone, that is a district judge. But in Crown Court, all the judges are professional judges. The magistrate court usually tries the summary offences that are of less serious nature. Then there are either way offences that are in the middle way between the less serious nature offences and more serious nature offences. So magistrate court also try either way offences. But in the Crown Court only indictable offences are tried which are of more serious nature. So in magistrate court judges don't wear wigs and gowns. In Crown Court judges wear wigs and gowns. The sentencing power of magistrate court is 6 months for one offence, and if a person has been charged for two or more either way offences, the magistrate court can impose two consecutive 6-month sentences to equal 12 months imprisonment. The fines for either way offences is unlimited for the magistrate court, but for summary offences the magistrate court could give £5,000 fine. There is no appellate jurisdiction of magistrate court. In the Crown Court, the sentencing powers of the Crown Court is unlimited. So Crown Court can give the life imprisonment as well, and fines are unlimited for the Crown Court to impose. And Crown Court has appellate jurisdiction.